Let's be honest, winter riding kind of sucks. Cold pavement, cold tires, cold joints, and this right here is exactly why Trike makes sense. Every winter, the same thing happens. Half the bikes disappear. The internet fills up with tough guy talk, and everyone pretends riding in sketchy conditions is some kind of badge of honor. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Winter riding exposes ego really fast. Because when the pavement is cold and traction is limited, it's not about how cool you look, it's about how much margin you've got. And that's where the trike conversation gets uncomfortable with some folks. Because trikes aren't about showing off, they're about control, confidence, and riding smart when conditions aren't ideal. Cold asphalt doesn't care if you've been riding for 30 years or 3 weeks. Tires don't heat up the same. Shaded corners stay slick. Sand and debris don't magically disappear because it's cold outside. On 2 wheels, that means that you're managing balance, traction, and mental load, all at the same time. On a trike, you have a wider contact patch, more stability at low speeds, and a whole lot less of oh shit when conditions change. That's not weakness, that's margin. Here's some things people don't realize until it's too late. When you're white knuckling the bars, your reaction slows down, your steering gets jerky, and mistakes multiply. Trikes reduce the mental workload. You're not constantly fighting balance. You're not worried about putting a foot down on cold pavement. That means more brain power for traffic, for road conditions, for staying relaxed. And relaxed riders make better decisions, especially when the road is not playing nice. Let's kill another myth real quick. Winter riding isn't about proving anything. Nobody's impressed in January. You're not earning extra biker points. You're just increasing risk, sometimes for no good reasons. A trike lets you ride because you want to, not because you feel you have to. Short rides still count. Garage time still counts. Staying connected to the machine still counts. This isn't about distance, it's about presence. Trikes aren't better than 2 wheels. They're just a different tool for a different job. And winter is exactly the kind of environment where stability, predictability, and confidence matter more than style points. If riding feels like work instead of freedom, something's off. The whole point of this thing, 3 wheels or 2 wheels, is to enjoy the ride. So yeah, if you only ride when conditions are perfect, that's okay, but I ride when it makes sense for me. And when the roads are cold and traction is questionable and I still want to enjoy the ride, the trike makes sense. Be honest. Do you ride less in winter or do you just ride different? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you enjoy videos like this, hit the subscribe button, click the like, and watch this next video, and I'll see you there.